October 21st, 2020, vocabulary. Directions: drag the red X on the vocabulary puzzle piece that doesn't belong. All right, we know how to do this. So we have 13, Y, variable, H, and B. Just by looking at all of these, the two that kind of stand out are the 13 and the variable. So let's take a look because there's only one that doesn't belong. B, H, and Y are all letters, right? And those letters are actually called what? Variables. Because they can stand in and take place of a number. So these letters are variables, so that goes together. The one that doesn't fit would be that 13, because that's not a variable, that's just a number. So we're going to take this red X and we're going to drag it on top of that 13, and that is all for vocab. Great job!